you are not a trader, you let us know. Or you are a beginner. Is anyone is a beginner trader?
If you are a beginner trader, kindly please type 1. If you are pro, type 2 on our chat box.
Okay. Okay, good. Thanks for the response. All right, so basically, yeah, if you are a gold trader, you type you are a gold trader. Okay. If you are not a gold trader, you are a forex trader, you will just tell me you are a forex trader. So we will go for one by one. So yeah. So basically, this is gold chart. I'm going to show the gold. Okay, first, before we do the live analysis, okay, the best part is about trading is we need to alert on the fundamentals. Okay, especially what is happening on the US market, and of course the global, what is happening in the global market, especially like the geopolitical, the war. Like today, this morning, I wake up and I receive a news that Trump is going to have a deal with Iran. So is anyone doesn't know about the war between Iran and US? Is anyone don't know about it? Or everyone knows about it? I assume everyone knows about the war because it's happening all over the world, which affected our oil price. Okay, increase of the oil price that affected our petrol. Okay, even you want to go and pump your petrol, you will see the difference. Okay, and I heard when I went to Philippines, I think last month, this month around, they told us that there were shortage of fuel. Yeah, I think this happens on few other countries also. So the news that we are listening and we are seeing what is happening, it's correlated with the chart. So how do you analyze this? Okay, first you must be aware of the news, and second is you must know the technical analysis. Okay, I just show you a very simple technical analysis is the trend line. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay, if anyone of you can't see this, please let me know. Maybe I need to make it. Yeah. Okay, it's very simple. It's trend line. Yep. You must know the basic of trading. The basic is the first is the trend line lah. Okay, we have support and resistance. Okay, we have a lot of tools like Bollinger Bands, moving averages. Okay, the indicators like RSI. Okay, I think it's John's favorite. We have MACD. We have momentum. There are so many so many tools, technical analysis that we have in the chart, in the trading, okay, in this trading industry. So, but the first thing that I learned when I was trading in my first 2 years is that I went to a fundamental class. Okay, when I went to fundamental class, my master told me that you don't need any tools to trade. You just need to know what is happening on the market. Yeah, right. So you just place the position based on what is happening on the market. It's true. All right. So I can tell you on the fundamental, you need to know there's a lot of things. There is so much of knowledge that you need to go into the fundamental, like the interest hike. It's going to happen when the interest hike. Okay, when the interest is cutting, when the interest is reducing. So, and some more, the central banks, you need to know the tone of the central bank, dovish or hawkish, all these things, which when you see the chart and you will eventually understand. Okay, so I can suggest you to learn both. Okay, on the fundamental and also technical at the same time. Yeah, but of course, at the start when you try to learn so many stuff, you will get confused. So that's why I suggest you go and find someone who is really understand about what they are doing, so you might get the right knowledge. Okay, so from this chart I'm showing to you now is very simple. Okay, on the 4 hours chart, okay, we are looking at the trend line. Okay, so I assume the next move, either the price is going to reverse back, okay, or it will break the trend line. So if it does break the trend line, what is going to happen? It might probably the price is going to back to the top. Yeah. Okay. So this is how we evaluate or we check on what on the chart. Okay, on the market. Okay, and of course, if you go to the fundamentals, there's a lot of news fundamental. You also can go to our Telegram channel. Okay, we constantly update the fundamental, the news, okay, and the signals on our Telegram channel. Okay, so the dollar finally moved off the 1 2000 figure yesterday. It didn't light anyone's fire, but it did gain 2 index points to finish yesterday at 1 2003. Gold and silver are just having a very difficult time to finding a strong bid these days. So the gold was the yesterday was gold lose $52 and closed at 4,456. And the war was back on as far as the target that the missile landed were concerned, and that moved traders to buy dollars and sell gold. Okay, so if you understand the news, okay, when there's a missile, okay, shoot up to the sky, that's mean what is going to happen. The gold will spike and go up again. Okay, when the market, when the war is calm, and I assume that you know the gold will keep going down. So if you see what is happening in these few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, I think almost a month, there's no missile was firing to other countries. I think, I mean from the Iran. So that's why you can see the gold trying to go lower and lower. Okay. So is it simple or not, the understanding? Yeah, I think, I assume is very simple. Okay, if you are trading on gold. Okay, so if you guys have any question, if you guys don't understand, please type understand or don't understand. I need to know. Yeah, guys, anyone trading the gold? Yeah. All right. So this is just a very simple understanding of how to trade. Yeah. All right. So of course, there's a lot of traders who is traders who do scalping, intraday, and swing. Okay, but 4 hours, I can tell you that if you are trading on 4 hours, is almost the position is for 1 week. Yeah. Okay. The position that you should trade on 4 hours is for 1 week. So if you are intraday, trader, you trade for 1 hours. Yeah. Okay. If you are scalpers, you can trade 1 minute and below 1 hour. Okay. So you see the trend line is almost 5 days. Yeah. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5 days. It's trending down. Yeah. So this is very simple. Okay. But how you want to know the support and resistance? Okay. If I use the tools, okay, the support resistance, this is the support. Yeah. We use very simple indicators. We look back at the previous support level. Okay, anyone spot the previous support level? Okay, great. Okay, so of course, this is the two topics. This is the two chart that I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, so the next one is we will discuss. Is there anyone still want to ask any questions on the technical parts? Because I'm going to shift to the other topics. Okay, so this is the two most simple setups and how to trade in the market. Yeah. Okay. So the second topic is why 1000 choose Trading Pro. Okay. So we will look at the platform. Okay. The first thing, the platform you already see that I show you. Okay. Our spreads is very low, so low. Okay. And the executions that you should know. Okay, is instant, and of course, I will just show you our website. Okay, because the main topic is today is for Memoria. Okay, and I will just go for the last topic for my side. Okay, so this is our website. Okay, so our recognitions, our awards. Okay, we have been sorry. Let me just yeah. This is our best spread, okay, broker awards. We have around 11. Okay, so that's why we have been having these awards since 2023. Okay, and of course, we are still getting awards for many years. Okay, 2025, 2026, we have all the awards. Okay, so I will recommend you the viewers here, okay, our supporter. I assume that you are all our supporter. Please share this, share Trading Pro to your friends, okay, to the around your regions, okay. We have so multi awards win, and of course, you see our live chat, okay, keep popping up. Our live chat is a human base, it's not AI, and we support you 24/7. And please share this to your traders, your friends all around the world. Okay, in whatever region you are on. Okay, this is our words. So I wouldn't want to waste so much time. I will pass this floor to Ma'am Maria. Okay, so she will share you the strategies and the localize of the Philippines markets and more about Philippines. All right, so Ma'am Maria, I hope you are ready, and I will pass this to you.
So which means the flexibility is really matters for every traders and also for us. With a efficient goal funding system, traders can react faster to market opportunities. They can manage more effectively without long delays, reduce stress caused by funding uncertainty, and they maintain smoother overall in trading flow. So in short, it supports a more practical trading lifestyle, not just a theory, but it's real daily usage. So regional transaction efficiency is not a technical features, it's a part of the real trading experience. Because in trading, it is not about how fast the market moves. It's also about how fast you can move with it. So in Philippines, normally we focus in our gateway, which is the Dragon Pay. We are focusing on the GCash because Dragon Pay acts as the payment processor that links our trading accounts with local Philippines payment system, especially in e-wallets and banks. It becomes a key local funding bridge. It connects trading accounts to the most commonly used financial tools in the Philippines. It's making deposit and more practical, accessible, and familiar. So instead of going through to the complicated international banking steps, it allows traders to fund accounts using system they already use daily. So GCash in Dragon Pay is the most widely used e-wallet in the Philippines. And when connected through DragonPay, it becomes more trading funding tool. And this is the advantage of the traders, especially for the Filipinos, is this, it is very fast deposit processing compared to traditional bank transfer. It's extremely convenient. Most traders already use GCash daily, and they no need to visit banks or fill out complicated forms. And it is easy access for beginners, for first-time traders, and support small to medium deposit or flexible capital management. So this is the most practical option for everyday Filipino traders, because they can pay bills, buy loads with GCash. So, and also you can fund your trading account in just only a minute. Imagine, it's really very minutes, less than a minute. Because the Dragon Pay also support direct transfer from the major Philippine banks. It is making suitable for traders who prepared traditional financial system. Because in trading, especially in trading, timing is everything, not just an entry, but also in funding. So, bottom line, for our Filipino traders, especially to our attendees right now, I know that we have a lot of Filipinos traders here. Dragon Pay is the most option it because it's practical bridge between every financial tools and globally trading access. And I know and I believe that everyone here that from Filipino, you will use Dragon Pay using your GCash. So, guys, in today's financial market, trading is no longer just about finding the right entry or predicting the next move. In real success, it comes from having the right foundation behind every decision you make. So for the Filipino traders, choosing a broker is not only about the spread, leverage, or promotions. It's about the trust, stability, execution, quality, and the most is security. And Trading Pro continues to position itself as more than just a trading platform, guys. Through strong infrastructure, fast execution, secure funding system, and institutional grade safe protocols. It aims to provide traders with environment designed for long-term growth and confidence. So may this discussion serve out only as an introduction to Trading Pro system and capabilities, but also it's a reminder for every trader to prioritize discipline, security, and smart decision making in every market condition. Guys, this is all about Trading Pro. And so thank you very much for this opportunity to give you some of insight of our Filipino and Philippines regional deposit and withdrawal hacks, and also give you some insight regarding of the backbone, the structured, the structural infrastructure, ultra low latency execution, and the institutional safety of the protocols. That's why all the traders from 8,000 plus traders worldwide trusted Trading Pro. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll pass the floor to Mr. Mark Anthony Beltran, and shout out to Mr. Victor Andrews. Thank you very much, guys.
All right, thank you very much, TM, for the wonderful insight about how the trading pro works, especially here in the Philippines. And as I've said before, this kind of webinar, it's very informative, and it's actually by request most of the trader. Imagine, okay, the broker that's been trusted by 800,000 plus traders worldwide. So as CM said earlier, okay, about it's not about how you're going to put your money. Okay, it should be the broker itself. It should be trusted, and this trading pro actually, like we are doing the best thing that we can do for you to be able to, for all of our family clients that would like to use the platform itself. All right. So, well, thank you so much, CM, regarding about your the presentation. It's very 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 beautiful. So, guys, on our next webinar, it's actually on June 5th, 2026. So here are the topics. It's regarding the trading plus, simple setup, technical, okay, identifying clear market trends, supporting resistance, the floor and ceiling, and when to stay out of the market and wait for the setup. This is the topic on our second webinar, which is on June 5th, 2026. So guys, Sir Shah, do you have any, or would you like to add something aside on this one, or we are going to open the floor for our question and answer, Sir Shah?
Yeah. So yes, you guys can ask any question. I think just now Carl want to ask a question. Maybe Carl.
Okay. So, guys, the presentation is out or already end, and I guess I do have a lot of. I think I have two questions here earlier. You can actually unmute your mic if you have questions, and Sir Shars are willing to answer all of your questions. Kindly please put your mic on mute and go ahead for those person who have questions, please.
Yes, Mr. Shah.
Yep, Mr. Carl.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yep, evening.
I hope that this question um would not ruin your prop firm, especially your prop firm.
Uh-huh.
Yes, Mr. Shah. Could you elaborate to me what really what really is the prop firm? I mean your business. Your prop firm, sir.
But
How does how do how do prop firm really works?
okay. So, okay, but actually, guys, this is Trading Pro. Trading Pro is brokerage, so it's out of the topic. Trading Plus, but I can just give you just a simple and short, okay, answer. So basically, prop firm is simulations. Okay, it's a simulations for you to trade. This is Mem Maria. Yeah, I can hear. This is
Are you hearing me?
Mem Maria network.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay. I'm Sankara Dickens and I'm from Uganda. I got some challenges on deposit and withdraw.
Okay.
The methods you are using, minus crypto,
Okay.
others they don't work in Uganda
Oh, okay. I think
because I was trying to fund my account. I opened the account with you, so I wanted to fund my account and I failed. Minus using crypto. These the other ones I've seen Netwire, what something they don't work here.
do you try to practice? I see practice that you can use your card.
Mm.
Yeah, and we also support the withdrawals on using Centywise for Uganda. Should be able to transact. But for crypto also, you should be able to. So after the meeting, I will check with Ma'am Maria. Okay, and about your issue.
No, but Passis doesn't work here. I tried to open account with Passis. It doesn't work. They say they don't work in Uganda. So
Process have two, right? One is the credit card and debit card, and another one is the stick pay.
most here in Uganda we use e-wallets. Like our SIM cards, they have e-wallets.
Okay.
Yeah, we call them mobile money. Here we call them mobile money. So we mostly use those e-wallets.
Okay. Never
Yeah.
mind. I will check this with Ma'am Maria, and I will get this sorted out as soon as possible. All right. I need to check what is the issue. I also need to check with the finance department.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah. So I see one question. This one is Trading Plus. So why so many people from Trading Plus? Um, okay. All question concern address of the presentation. Okay, okay. Yeah, about the Trading Plus. Okay, if you are in the positions and the fundamental news met my positions, have I violated the rules? So basically, uh, you only violated after you are funded. Okay, so if you are trade on the Trading Plus, if you are still on the challenge, you should have no issue on the news violations. Um, yeah, so I also have another questions. Hey, guys, if you want to ask a lot of questions, we have this Discord channel on for the Trading Plus. So all the questions that if you have any issue, you can direct and send it over there, and we will reply you on the spot. Yeah, and also you can talk to us to the sales team in our Trading Plus Discord channel. Yeah, so we are 24/7 on the Discord channel. So yeah, please. Okay, Mark. Okay, so basically the topic for today, okay, the main topic is for the Philippine market, and also we have Nigerians, okay, we have South Africa, we have all from all over the world, okay.
Yeah, basically all over the world, Sir Shah. We
Yep.
have a lot of audience all over the world right now.
Mm. And of course, for the next webinar, I hope you guys please pass the words out to your friends or traders, okay? And we want more people. We can accommodate around 150. Yep. So, Mr. Okong, the Trading Plus. Okay, let me share the Trading Plus channel. Um, yeah. So, guys, if you are in the Philippines, okay, and you might pass the words, okay, for the people in Philippines, and we want to expand. We are not only expanding in the Philippines, we are also expanding in Nigeria, okay, all over Africa. Okay, recently we have our sales team on the floor to Cape Town for the Finance Magnet Africa Summit. Yep.
All right, thank you so much, Sir Shah. Yes, any other questions, Sir Carl?
Yeah, last question.
Last question, yes.
Sir, this is a series of questions. Sir,
Go
just
ahead.
first and foremost, for clarification, is Trading Pro and Trading Plus is just under one company or the same company?
Yes, we are same company, so that's why if you
One and
log
the
in,
same, sir.
yeah, it's the same. It's the same. Actually, it's the product. Trading Plus for prop firm is a product besides for Trading Pro. Means Trading Pro is the
Is
main.
the broker.
Yeah, it's the broker. So we have these additional services and products for the prop traders. So basically, if you see the spread between Trading Pro and Trading Plus, it's eventually it's the same. Yep.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Sir Carl. Thank you so much for all of the questions that you have, guys. We really appreciate your time. So, by the way, if you have other questions, I've, as Sir Shah told earlier, you can actually click our Discord channel. We have a Telegram link as well. It's already on our chat box. So, guys, um, you know, by the way, if you just um and heads up as well, Trading Pro is almost like 11 years in the market service. So imagine, okay, we have 800,000 plus traders worldwide. So here in especially in Philippines team, okay, actually not only in the Philippines team, we always want to be a very active in terms of handling our clients. Real time support, it's not a bot, it's a real human You can talk to us anytime as long as you want to. You can message us personally. We can, if you would like to do a like video calling, like face to face or whatnot, we have that here in in Philippines team. So guys, thank you so much for your time, Sersha. I really appreciate your time as
Uh,
well.
me
And by
too.
the way, yeah, see you on June 5th on our next webinar.
Yeah, Ma'am Maria, any last word from your side for the
Yes, CM.
closing, please?
Yeah, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all my Filipino and Filipino traders and also Filipino attendees here. We'll see you on our next. I appreciate, grateful for this tonight webinar. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you soon and stay safe always. Good night, everyone. Good morning to everyone. Whatever you are, stay safe and thank you so much. Have a good day, guys.